Have you ever wondered how Fineamin works within water and steam cycles to optimize industrial processes? First of all, Fineamin chemicals are based on a multi-component advanced treatment approach containing film-forming amine, also known as polyamine, technology, specially designed for effective corrosion control and scale inhibition. They come as all-organic, all-in-one, single-drum treatment chemicals in liquid form, replacing the multi-drum traditional treatment approach. These chemicals are ready to use directly from the drum, with no preparation or mixing required. Fineamin products get dosed into systems using a dosing pump, typically at the deaerator outlet, directly into the feed water pipe. The chemical travels throughout the system, including boiler, pipelines, and condensate return lines. During the process, Fineamin actives protect the entire system. Its volatile components adjust the pH, while its polyamines and polymeric dispersant components stabilize the protective metal oxide layer, prevent buildup, and gradually remove excess deposits. The filming amine molecules interact with the metal surfaces to create a continuous, monomolecular hydrophobic protective barrier that reinforces the magnetite layer without affecting the heat transfer. This barrier remains effective even when the plant is in standby. Tests show how Fineamin's hydrophobic film repels water, with droplets bouncing off the treated surface upon contact, outperforming conventional treatments. Fineamin products are free of any inorganic salts such as phosphates and sulfites, making them both highly effective and environmentally friendly, with more than 90% biodegradability. During the vapor phase, protection is also ensured, benefiting both the condensate lines and vapors as well as the subsequent equipment. Fineamin product actives will condensate back to the feed water tank, thus providing full protection for the entire water-steam condensate cycle. Fineamin treatment means lower water and energy consumption by reducing blowdown, lower chemical consumption, lower overall operational costs, environmental sustainability. Follow us on our website and social media for more information about custom water treatments for boilers, cooling towers, and closed-loop systems. Have questions? Contact us. We're here to help.